Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and incredibly relevant: the importance of culture in today's world. In our fast-paced, interconnected world, it's easy to overlook the significance of culture. But let me tell you, it matters more than ever. So, why does culture matter? Number 1. Identity and belonging. First and foremost, culture shapes our identity and provides us with a sense of belonging. Whether it's through language, traditions, or shared experiences, our cultural background forms a crucial part of who we are. Number 2. Diversity and understanding. Secondly, culture fosters diversity and understanding. By embracing different cultural perspectives, we enrich our own worldview and develop empathy towards others. Number 3. Preservation of heritage. Thirdly, culture allows us to preserve our heritage. From ancient rituals to modern art forms, our cultural heritage is a treasure trove of knowledge and creativity that deserves to be celebrated and protected. Number 4. Social cohesion. Next, culture promotes social cohesion. By coming together to celebrate shared values and traditions, communities strengthen bonds and build a sense of unity. Number 5. Innovation and creativity. Lastly, culture fuels innovation and creativity. When different cultural influences collide, it sparks new ideas, artistic expressions, and ways of thinking that drive progress and change. What do you think? How has culture impacted your life? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the rich tapestry of our world's cultures. Bye for now.